Hi gold friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new and wondering who I am, then my name is Pooja Nanda and I make videos on skincare and makeup. Now I'm making Navratri series and our today's color is white, and in that matter I'm wearing this white Lucknowi kurti which I absolutely love. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to do this simple and chic cool eye look. I wanted this look to be very simple, so I played with my kajal here. Now let's see how to achieve this look. Let's go. Before starting the makeup, as always, I'm going to use a moisturizer. I'll hydrate my face and then I will cover the spots and the marks that I have on my cheeks with the help of concealer. Once I have completed concealing the spots or hiding the spots, I will apply foundation on my face. I'll dot the foundation all over my face and my neck, and I'll blend it with the help of my fingers. I'll blend it evenly. So this time I'm going to keep my look very simple and chic. Now moving ahead, I'm going to use a concealer. I will use the concealer under my eyes, on my eyelids, a little bit on my forehead, nose and chin like I do always, and I will dab the concealer. I'll set the concealer under my eyes and I will blend rest of the concealer that I have on my forehead, nose and chin with help of my fingers. Now moving ahead, I will do my eyebrows. So I don't mess with my eyebrows too much. I have a natural shape, so I just fill the eyebrows and follow the natural line. I don't overdo it. After filling my eyebrows, I will brush them off. Brushing your eyebrows really help to remove that excess pigment. Now for eyeshadow, I don't want that heavy eyeshadow look today. I want that cold eye look. So here I am applying warm brown shade onto my eyelid. I'll apply it all over my lid and I'll take that same eyeshadow and apply it under my eyes. But this time I will apply it only at the corners of my eyes and not whole. Now for kajal or for getting that cold look, I'm going to apply this Plum Nature Studio kajal. I love this kajal. The pigment is really nice. I will apply this kajal onto my eyelid. I'll make a medium line over my lid. The line should not be precise as we are going to blend that line later with the help of brush. I will also apply this kajal on my waterline and also under my waterline so that I should get that thick black kohl look. As of now, it will look messy, but once we blend the kajal, the edges will be smooth. So I'm going to take this thin flat brush and I'll blend the kajal. Now for my inner corners, I'm going to take white pencil and apply it onto the inner corners of my eyes, and then I will blend this or smudged it with my fingers. Now I'm going to take a red pencil and apply it on my waterline. It will give me that dramatic look. I like to apply red color on my waterline when I do my cool eye. Now I'm going to apply a lip balm. I love this lip balm. This is the Body Shop lip balm. I feel it's a passion fruit one. Yes. Now for lipstick, I am going to apply a deep wine colored lipstick and I'll transfer the excess on back of my hands. Now I am going to line my lips. It is the important step when you apply lipstick. I will line the lips. Now I will curl my lashes. So be very careful when you curl your lashes. Don't hurt your eyes. Now I'll apply mascara. So almost in all of my videos I have said that I apply 2 coats of mascara. But in today's look I will apply lots of mascara onto my lashes. You can also use fake lashes. So here I am not using, but you can. Now for Bindiya, I'm going to make two vertical dots. One dot will be big and the second will be smaller than the first one, and also big dot near my eyes. So the simple technique to get that Navratri look is to make dots around your eyes and also near your neck. Make designs, patterns, like small patterns, or if you're not comfortable with patterns, then make dots. It's the simplest way to get that look. So now I will wear my jewelry. I'll wear earring. Here I am wearing silver oxidized jewelry. I will also wear bangles. So I have this ghunguru bangles that I have bought from Andheri or somewhere else. So I'll wear the bangles, and also I'll wear same silver oxidized ring. This is a glass big ring. I love wearing rings. So this is the final look, you girls. I hope you loved this look. You can wear this look on any Western or Indian clothes. If you do this look, then do tag me, and see you next time. Bye. I love you all. Mwah.